Hi everyone, my name is Zein Dudha. I am the owner of Villa 33, which is a bed and breakfast in Blantyre, Malawi. This testimonial is for Mark Simpson's Boostly Academy. So I've been using the resources on this website for the past year and a half now, and for me it's been a lifeline in what are otherwise tough times. I think that for bed and breakfast owners in the current environment where we have OTAs taking 20% of each booking, where we have Airbnb properties opening everywhere, we really need to try and level the playing field, especially online, and Mark is an expert at marketing through online and social media. On the Boostly Academy website, the training site, there's all the tips, tricks, and all the information you need to get you up to speed, whether it's getting a new website, optimizing your website, doing an email campaign, using MailChimp, getting a chatbot, doing Google ads, doing a Facebook competition, like getting on Instagram, royalty-free images, like whatever you can think of. He's thought about it and he explains it to you in a very simple, step-by-step way. If you don't understand, you can pause, you can rewind, start again, keep doing that until your website or your campaign is looking as good as it should. We've had amazing success with his product. He offers a full guarantee if you're not satisfied, so you've got nothing to lose. You don't have to do everything that he says, but read what's in the catalog and choose what fits your property, what fits your level of expertise, and just get cracking and do it. It all works and it's all been tested and owner approved. Mark, keep doing the good work. Thank you.